Hey everybody, Jimbo here. For those of you who don't know, I've been doing YouTube videos here in Southern California for about 13 years. The channel is Jimbo's Garage. I've been doing weld videos, fabrication and build videos. And I recently posted a video about me closing shop and leaving Southern California and heading to Florida to be with my kids and grandkids. That's the decision that my wife and I decided to make. And I gotta say, I got overwhelming response with that video. I truly appreciate all the love and support that you guys have offered up. I had over 30,000 views so far and over 400 comments. All the comments, I read every single one of them. And they all were very supportive. And I'm truly grateful for that, and hope you guys are gonna continue to follow me on my next adventure, which is going to be in Florida. Now, I did mention I'm going to Florida, but in the comments, there was a lot of people that were saying where in Florida, and I forgot to mention. I'm not gonna tell you exactly where I'm at, but I am gonna tell you I'm in the Orlando area. And if you're from Florida, you know that Orlando is pretty big. It's Central Florida, and that's where we're going to be. So for the next 3 months or so, we're going to be doing, or I'm going to be doing more like a vlog type of video, maybe 2 or 3 videos a week, showing my day-to-day activities and things I got going on related to the move. I'm going to be showing you the property we purchased and where the shop is going to be going, so on and so forth, like that. And be looking forward to that. So I want to start off right here, kind of show you guys what's been happening here in the shop, because of course I had a lot of people say, wow, how are you going to move that shop? What are you going to do? Well, I got to tell you, it has not been fun. The movers are coming here in a few days, and they're going to start moving the shop. So I've been busy packing. A little bit there, staging stuff over there. And let me back up here in the shop. And there you can see the shop a little bit. There's the welding table. It's all shrink wrapped, lathe. Everything is broken down here in the shop, all boxed up and ready to go. It's awfully quiet in here. It's really different, I gotta tell you. But anyways, we're really looking forward to this new venture. This is what it looks like so far. Turning some lights on here to kind of brighten things up. Show you guys, I don't know, here's a better shot of the shop, all packed up and all the stuff out there. Yeah, things look a little naked around here. But anyways, there you go. Today, I'll get some footage of the car hauler who's coming to pick up all 3 of our vehicles and heading, and going to be taking them to Florida. And I'll try to get some footage of that as well. All right, well, here it is. The car hauler is here. My truck is on. My daughter's car is up on the top. My wife's car is on the back. And barely hanging on. All right, that's it for us here in Southern California. Next stop, Orlando, Florida. And then here we are. This is in the house garage. This is things packed up, and this is just the garage stuff. But anyways, again, thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you guys follow me on this next journey. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.